Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about combustion equation. So before I am going to start this, I am consider a combustion chamber. In a combustion chamber, mass of air and fuel enter where the chemical reaction take place. Suppose here I am consider H2 plus O2 in this combustion chamber. So they are react to each other and to form H2O, that is steam, or yeah, you can say water. So the conservation of mass, the mass flow remains constant in this combustion chamber. So that means we can say that the total mass of product is equal to total mass of reactant, but the reactant are chemically different from the product, and the product live at the higher temperature. So you can remember one thing before going to calculation for combustion equation. So always remember the air is 23%, 23.3% of oxygen and 76.7% of nitrogen by mass. And if you are going to combustion calculation in the basis of volume, then you can remember 21% of oxygen and 79% of nitrogen. So some important combustion equation I am discuss one by one. So first one is combustion of hydrogen. So here I am write combustion of hydrogen. That is the basic is H2 react with oxygen to form H2O. That means here is two hydrogen, here is also two hydrogen. But here is oxygen is 1, but here is oxygen is 2. So that is unbalanced. So before I'm going to this write the equation, first you have to balance this equation. So here I'm balanced, and then we can write here multiply by 2, then his equation is balanced. Now you can see now again. So here 4 atoms of 4 atoms of hydrogen, and here also 4, here oxygen 2 moles, sorry, 2 atoms of oxygen, and here also 2 oxygen. So that is your balance equation. I'm going to write in the basis of volume. So you can write 2 mole of 2 volume of hydrogen react with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volume of steam or water. But I'm going to write in basis of mass. So you can write here is 2 mole of hydrogen, and molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, sorry, molecular weight of hydrogen is 1, and here 2 mole of hydrogen. So you can write 2 into 2 into 1. So that means total is 4 kg of hydrogen if I am writing in basis of mass. And here is oxygen is 2, and molecular weight of oxygen is 2 atoms of here oxygen, and molecular weight of oxygen is 16. So that is 32 kg. Here is 2 mole of oxygen, 2 mole of steam or water. So you can write, and 2 mole of oxygen, 2 mole of water, 2 into 1 plus 1 mole of 1 atoms of oxygen. So you can write 16 is molecular weight. So finally you can see here, because I'm already told you before this equation going to solve. So mass hour is conserved. So you can see here 4 kg of hydrogen, and here 32 kg of oxygen, and that right hand side is 36 kg of water. That means here is total 36 kg, and here is also 36 kg. That means here is mass hour is conserved. So I am going to write in basis of 1 kg of hydrogen react with 8 kg of oxygen to form 9 kg of water. So that is our basic, that is our, this is one is very important for you are going to solve a problem. So it's very important. So you remember these things, and in basis of I'm going to write nitrogen basis. So you can write here. So now I'm again second one, combustion of carbon. So combustion of carbon is mainly divided in two categories. One is complete combustion of carbon and another is incomplete combustion of carbon. So complete combustion of carbon to carbon dioxide, that is to form carbon dioxide. Then carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. That is your complete combustion of carbon. So here I am right is including N2, nitrogen. So 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of oxygen plus 79 by 21 mole of nitrogen, because in air O2 is 79 by 21 in basis of 1 mole. Because I am already explained, we are going to calculate in the basis of volume, so you can write this. So 1 mole of the form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So first you have to balance, check this equation are is balanced or not. So here is 1 mole of 1 atoms of carbon, here also 1 atoms, here 2 atoms of oxygen, here 2 atoms, that equation is our balance. So here I am right by volume. So zero volume of carbon, that means here I am only consider in basis of gas. So that is carbon is not is gas, that's why here I am right zero volume of carbon and 1 volume of oxygen, because oxygen is our gas in gas form, and nitrogen is also gas. So that is 79 by 21 volume of nitrogen to form to form 1 volume of carbon dioxide and 79 by 21 volume of nitrogen. If I'm going to write in basis of mass, so you can write, you can know this here 1 mole of volume of carbon and molecular weight is 12 kg, 12. So that is 12 kg of carbon dioxide and 32 kg of oxygen, because 1 mole of oxygen and 2 atoms of oxygen, and molecular weight of oxygen is 16, so you can write 32. Same way you can write nitrogen is molecular weight is nitrogen is 28, so you can, that's why same way you can write here. And here is also CO2 is 44 kg of CO2, because carbon is 12 and oxygen is 32 molecular weight of these atoms. So finally you can check this both side is balanced or not. So here is total 44 kg of carbon plus oxygen, and here is carbon dioxide is also 44 kg. Here is oxygen, both side is same, so that is also balanced. So that is here our main equation is our mass is balanced, because mass is conserved in both sides. So that is equation is balanced. You can say this, that is equation is balanced because mass is conserved both sides. If I am right 1 kg of basis of 1 kg of carbon required 8 by 3 kg of oxygen and 105.28 by 12 kg of nitrogen to give 11.3 kg of carbon dioxide and plus 105.3 kg of nitrogen. So that is your main equation. Now I am again going to solve the incomplete combustion of carbon. That means when incomplete combustion, that means the incomplete combustion, the carbon occurs when there is insufficient supply of oxygen to burn the carbon complete to carbon dioxide. So that is for carbon dioxide, for incomplete combustion of carbon. So you can write here 2 kg, 2 mole of carbon dioxide, C plus O2 is our main equation to give CO. So here is 1 carbon and also here is 1 carbon, but here is 2 oxygen, but that side is only 1 oxygen. So you can first, you have to balance. So here write 2, that is, that one is 2 oxygen is balanced, and here right hand side with 2 oxygen, so balance, but this carbon is unbalanced. So then I multiply 2, then now that is or is balance equation. So here I am here right that things, here I am also right 2 mole of carbon react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 mole of carbon dioxide. If I am including nitrogen, then you can write that one. I am going to write in basis of mass, so you can write 2 mole of carbon and molecular weight of carbon is 12, so that means 20 kg of carbon, plus here same 1 mole of oxygen and molecular weight of oxygen is 16, so here 32 kg of O2. Same way you can write 105.3 kg of nitrogen and to form 56 kg of carbon dioxide. So if I am right, basis of 1 kg of carbon required 4/3 kg of oxygen reacts with to give 7/3 kg of carbon monoxide. So that is our is basic combustion equation here, and this is very important for exam point of view, mainly in university. University exam is very frequently to ask in exam. So thank you for watching this video.